Did you know that every house has its own secret song? Leo discovered this amazing truth when he started living in two different homes. At Mom's apartment, the sounds were soft and gentle, like a quiet lullaby. The refrigerator hummed sweetly, neighbors talked softly through the walls, and book pages whispered as they turned. But Dad's house sang a completely different tune. The grandfather clock ticked loudly like a drum. His footsteps echoed on the wooden floors. The dishwasher whooshed dramatically like ocean waves. At first, Leo felt confused. Which song was better? Then something magical happened. Leo started pretending to be a conductor, waving invisible batons in the air. He discovered he could turn these everyday sounds into beautiful music. His magical giant friend appeared and shared a wonderful secret. Every home sings its own special song, Leo. You don't have to pick just one. You can love them both. Now Leo conducts the symphony in each house, feeling happy and in control. He learned that having two homes means that having twice the music to enjoy.